Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to read a QR code with iPhone 2024. So firstly, all you have to just go to your camera and you have to just put your camera on the QR code like this. Okay, and it will read automatically. You don't have to go anywhere, you have to just open the camera. You can see that QR code. Okay, you can see that there's many QR code. You just have to click on the middle to go to that site. Okay, so this is how you can read, or this is how you can scan a QR code in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.